Hi everyone, our names are Emily.
I'm Kelsey.
I'm Sarah. I'm Hannah.
And today we're going to be learning about macronutrients and their role within the body. Macronutrients are essential to be consumed through the diet because our body cannot make them on their own.
There are 3 macronutrients, and they are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are our body's main source of energy. Proteins help us grow our muscles, and fats help to insulate us and keep us full. And our recipe today is going to incorporate all 3 macronutrients.
So today we're going to be making pinwheels, which are similar to wraps but cut into bite-sized pieces. So these wraps are going to have lettuce or spinach. The lettuce can add a fun crunchy texture, but we have spinach today and that will do just fine. And then they're also going to have turkey cheese and a customizable cream cheese spread. And the cream cheese spread can be customized to your taste.
So the first step in making these pinwheels is to chop up our green onions. We have washed our hands and washed the green onions, and we are going to chop off the white portion and discard it. That's fine to eat, but it can be a little bit strong.
Now we're going to make our 2 cream cheese mixtures. In your first bowl, you're going to dump in the green onions and stir. And in your second bowl, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of ranch seasoning and combine that with the cream cheese and stir.
Okay, so we're going to lay out our tortillas, and then we're going to spread 1 mixture on each tortilla. So our first tortilla is going to have our ranch mixture. And we'll just take that and spread that on there. And then our second wrap is going to have the green onion mixture. And these wraps are going to be our carbohydrate for today. And this cream cheese mixture is, again, customizable for whatever you want. And then I recommend just using a rubber spatula to spread them.
So next we're going to add the spinach, turkey, and cheese. So we'll go ahead and just spread some of the spinach all around. Okay, now we're going to add the turkey, and we'll just do 2 slices per tortilla. Like that, and then we'll add the cheese. So the turkey is going to add protein to these, and then the cheese is going to add more fats. There we go.
So next we're going to wrap up our pinwheels, and we want to make sure that we're wrapping them really tight to make sure that all the ingredients stay in and they're also holding their shape when they get cut. And then we are going to place toothpicks about 1 inch apart just so that when they get cut, they hold their shape.
Finally, it's time to cut our tortillas into the pinwheel shape. First, we're going to cut off the ends and discard them. Next, we're going to slice in between the toothpicks to create our individual pinwheels. When doing this at home, make sure to use safe knife skills and have parental supervision.
These pinwheels are a great snack and can be a part of a balanced meal and a lunch or anything like that. And it's a great way to get the kids into the kitchen and excited about creating balanced meals.
Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed.